Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Iris shaders in Minecraft 1.21.8. Let's get started. What you need to do first is quit Minecraft and open your browser and search for Iris Shaders Minecraft and go to irisshaders.dev. Then click download now and grab the universal jar. You'll need shaders to use with Iris. I recommend CourseForge, then go to courseforge.com, then Minecraft and browse shaders. Then pick a pack you like, then click Files, then download the for version 1.21.8. Now, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Iris installer. If it doesn't run, you may need Java. Download it from java.com, then install the right-click the installer, then open with Java and always. Then, select Minecraft version, then 1.21.8. Then press install and wait for it to finish. Then open the Minecraft launcher, then select Iris plus Sodium from the left of the play button and launch. Enter a world, then press escape, then option, then video settings, then shaders, then open shader pack folder and add your downloaded shader pack. Return to Minecraft and select the shader and press apply. Now your world looks amazing. Water, lighting, shadows, and effects are all enhanced. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.